What do you usually do after dinner?
After dinner, I watch TV 30 minutes and I do my homework. Then I go to my family and talk with my family and go to sleep.
Describe your hometown.
My hometown is Rawalpindi. It is a very good place of Punjab. The weather is nice. There are many markets and park in here.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is cricket. I play cricket every evening. My favorite player is Babar Azam. Cricket is a very exciting game.
So tell me about your last birthday.
My last birthday are very good. My family gave me a party and my friends also gave me a gift. I was very happy.
Why do people learn English?
People learn English to get a good job. When you learn English, you learn any type of book in English and you talk with people any countries.
What would you do in your summer holidays?
In summer holidays, I go to my village and play a lot and watch TV and learn new books to my cousin.
What is your favorite book or story?
My favorite story is The Lion and the Mouse. It teaches us that even the small friend is help the big friend. I like this story.
Describe your daily routine.
I wake up 6 p.m. and I say my prayer and ready to school. When I go to school and I learn all subject and I come to school 2 p.m. and I complete my homework and I play cricket and in evening I eat dinner and go to sleeping.
What do you want to do after finishing your school?
I finishing my study. I want to become a doctor and help sick persons.
Describe your dream house.
My dream house is a big and a beautiful house. In there, 3 rooms and one big garden, beautiful. And in one room, one TV and one computer in the room. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.
Bye.